Good day guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. So for tutorial for today is on how to configure your originating or the inbound calls for Twilio carriers. So once again, if you like this video, can you please give me a like, share, and if you're not yet a subscriber, can you please give a subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you're always updated to our latest video. Okay guys, so if you want to donate something, you can check my description of the video. You can see all the donation, or you can send me a thanks for all of my video that you are useful, and hope you will be my best supporters. Soon we will giving you some best tutorial for this video dial. So for now we will do some basic settings and how to use it. So after this we will do some basic tutorial on the agent screen, how to log in, how to configure, how to answer the call, etc, etc. Okay, so for today we will do originating or the inbound call setup using our Twilio carrier as a main carrier for our videos right now. Okay guys, so once again, this is HBD tutorial. Let's start our video. Okay guys, so for today video is we'll continue our R&D on the Vicidial using the asterisk 18. Okay, this is our Twilio account. So first you need to click. So this is only a continuation, so often because we already did our outbound calls or outbound or terminating configuration for the Twilio. So we have now here our Twilio. So this is for the outbound, and now we will do the inbound or the originating. Okay, so much go to your Twilio account, then look for the elastic zip trunk, click the manage and the trunk. So on this trunk you will see the two options. Okay, so if you open the, because this continue, so you already have this one because you already configure your outbound or the terminating call or the termination. This is the call termination for the outbound, and this is our origination or originating, so it means incoming to our PBX. Okay, so upon checking here, so you need to check your originating URI. Okay, so it means the originating URLs. So because we are using an IP based authentication, so we need to get our public IP. So we are using EC2 again, so we have a private and public. So always we need to get our public IP. If you are using on your home network or office network, you have a local IP, means local IP means a private IP that assigned by the router or firewall or etc in your IT team. So, and to get your public IP, you can do IP chicken, or so that you can get the public IP or the static IP that assign your ISP. So this is my ISP now, that EC2 assigned me a public IP or my static IP that can I use. Okay, and then I can allow this one. You can use the NAT 1:1 NAT from private to your public. Okay, that's another way to set up. If you have an IT or network engineer, they can configure that on your firewall. Okay, after you need to copy this one and go back to your origination URL. So you need to add origination URL. So just paste here. Okay, so 1010, then add. So they said here, zip query must start with zip or zips. Okay, so you must type zip, then colon, then add. Okay, zip. I'm sorry, I just missed the I. Then add. Okay, and then if you change, okay, so sometimes if you have somebody installed your Vicidial, sometimes they change your zip port or your original zip port on your Vicidialer. Example, they change to 5070. So this is your zip port on your Vicidialer. You always add your port if you change from 5060 to another port. The default port of the zip is 5060. Okay, so I'm just adding, but I did not change my default port. It's still 5060 on my on my dialer on my server. Okay, okay, since so good, so you can now go to the numbers. Okay, so from the number, okay, as you can see, you don't have any number, so you need to add a number. Okay, add existing number, or if you want to buy a new one, you can buy. So for me, I will use my existing DID number. Okay, so I can use this one. Just copy. Okay, I can use this one, then select. Okay, so we have now our number ready for the originating. So we need to go back now to our Vicidialer. Okay, so we are here on our Vicidialer. So from here, you need to configure your inbound. I can add, you will now to add your GID. Okay, so I need to copy and then go back here. Okay, add, so we can add, so we can, I will just 5 Twilio DID. I just put there. Okay, add. And then if you want to extend, for now we will forward it to the in-group server, and then put your, upon checking, we don't have an in-group over here, so we need to save this first. Okay, and go to the in-group. So we have here agent direct. Okay, so as of now, our agent direct, it shows active, but it is show is NA, so it means not set as allow in campaign, in any campaign. So you need to attach this in group to your campaign. So we will go back to the campaign. We have here a test camp. Okay, detail view. So on the detail view, you need to enable this one, so allow inbound and blended. Okay, and then you need to submit. Upon submission, you need to go down. Okay, so you can check here, allow inbound group. You need to select. If you want to allow transfer group, just select also and then submit. And now if you go back on our inbound and then show inbound group, it means here, so our agent direct is now on active, and you need to go back to your DID and then click modified, and then you can now select your inbound. So we need to check here the all. Okay, let me double check DID inbound group, show. Okay, you need to change this one to admin, show. Okay, Yeah, this one, yeah, agent direct, so inbound groups must be, yeah, we need to create an inbound group 1, so we will check here, inbound. Okay, submit. Oh, no, I just delete this one, I'm sorry, I miss again. So this one is inbound. You can set the color, just put red. Okay, and then submit. So you need to go back to the campaign, add the new inbound group. I miss again, I'm sorry. Okay, submit. Go back to the inbound, the IDs modified, and select the inbound group that you created. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so we have successfully added our inbound, and then we can make some tests. Okay, you can go to here. So we need, I will go into log in our footy to check the logs created by asterisk. So I can use first asterisk CLI. Okay, when then we go back here, so origination, we will make a test. If I go here, okay, so we can make a test over here. As you can see, no hits. Okay, as you can see, they don't have any lag from asterisk CLI, so I can exit this one, and we can check SNG grep. Okay, so from SNG grep, let's check. Okay, we'll process the call again. Okay, as you can see here, okay, this is asterisk, but it's not yet the local asterisk. So seems okay. So from here, I need to this one for outbound. So we have an inbound. Okay, the issue here is not hitting our server. So we need to check. Okay, so we need to check. We need to go to the support, or we can get the configuration, or this one, the IP address. Okay, is the important, the IP address. So we need to allow this to our configuration. Twilio IP addresses. Okay. Okay. Signaling IP, North America gateways. So what is the IP we are using right now is 54.1.172.61. Okay, so 54. Okay, so we can add this following IP. We can copy this one because we have a firewall on our EC2. So I need to go here. Okay, so edit the inbound, because this inbound means incoming. So we cannot you can add all traffic from this. Okay, and then submit. Okay, because because we don't have any allowed outgoing, inbound, incoming, so that Twilio, they cannot communicate to our server. Okay, so if we do some make a test call, so as you can see, we have received some Twilio response. Okay, so from here we have call rejected, and this one call setup. If we check our asterisk log, okay, and then I will make a test again, we don't see any log from here. If I show zip show fears, as you can see, we have 172.3 on the Twilio. Okay, so exit. So let's check what IP is throwing for the incoming. So if I make a test call again, go back here, so is 172. This is the source and destination. This is my IP. Yeah, it's a 1723 for sure. Okay, because Twilio have 3 IP. Okay, you can add all this IP to your Vicidial. How? Using this one. Okay, so as you can see, you can go to your carrier again, carrier Twilio. So from this I can change this one, or actually it will work, but much better you can add all the following. I can copy, paste, and then I will change my, or I can use the following. I can use this one. If you check right now, we are using 503. So 503. Yeah. So okay, I think no need to add for now. So as you can see, hello Vicidial from here. So not bound 44. So it's a plus, then 404 not bound. So the tweak here, because we already added the our color or the ID but without a plus sign. Okay, because upon checking here, Twilio looking for plus 1 or looking for the plus sign in our Vicidial, but it's not configured. So what we're gonna do is you need to configure the using nano/h asterisk extension.com. Okay, up from here you can uncomment this one. Okay, then enter, exit, and asterisk. So you need to reload, core reload, dial plan reload. We will reload all the reloads. Okay, let's make a check again if it's working. Make a test call. Seems it's still not working. So let's check the SNG grep. It said here call in setup. Let's check our BG dialer if we have a call over here. So as you can see, still no hits on our dialer. Okay, so only this one I made is outbound and outbound calls. So it's they said, I think they already see it, but you see here trying. Okay, so the issue now, try to load again. Oops, dial plan show, So the trunk inbound, yeah, as you can see, we have here, but okay. So we will gonna do now is just go here. You need to you can copy again, or you need to add a plus sign. Okay, this is the some Twilio trick. You can copy again your GID. Okay, go back here and then go to the inbound again, show the ID. So from here you can, I will copy the same settings that I created. Okay, this one. Is now with plus. This is the only na name. Okay. Okay, I added a plus sign. So no space or dashes. So plus is allowed. Okay. As you can see, it's added plus now. So for sure, I can deactivate this one. Okay. And let's check again. If I do a test again for originating, okay, make a test call. It's not yet reload. As you can see, we have an hits. So it's now playing on hold music. So it means our setup, it's working. If we check our inbound, yeah, we have here a one call. Okay, so let's check zip, simple, playing GSM generic spam, request, no music, on hold. Okay, so there is no, let me check our music on hold, audio store. Let me add audio store. Yeah. So as you can see, we don't have an audio here, so we will fix that later. As of now, okay. Okay, so I can put on my music on hold. Again, add. Okay, so let's check if I made a test code. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, our call is intermittent, so it's not come up instantly. Okay, so much better. Now it's coming. but it's not come up instantly because my suggestion is so that you can able to always receive the call without the delay. So we will configure our carrier again. We will add those. We will start from 0. Okay, this is manually added for all IPs. So I can modify this one using the IP. Okay. So this is the other way. So you can put 1. You can change this to 1. Let's copy again. You can set to 2. 3. And then 4. Okay, submit. So all the signaling IP we already added on our server. Okay, so we need to wait now to refresh. So as you can see, all zip show fears. So you have now all the signaling IP. So it's only not 4. So is that okay? So we will do some tests now. If I select my call, you know how fast is coming the call right now. Music on loaded. Okay. So you see 14 calls. Okay. So to check, so we will try to getting the incoming, or I will check my inbound group. Okay. So kung hook customer, so will be put on generic. Okay. And then custom 24 hours calling. Okay. And you'll see the hour real time. And we'll take the test. Okay. Let's check. As you can see, we have now live incoming calls. This is the from Twilio test. Okay. So that's a test. So we can try it now. Okay. So we'll log in my agent. I can select my inbound blended, submit. Okay. You can go back here and make the test call again. I'll wait to have on 1 queue and I will push on ready. So as you can see, I received the incoming or inbound. Okay. Okay. Hang up. So it means inbound call is working. And then we will do a test. Let me open my account. So you see, this. Okay. Okay, this is my 3CX account. Let's get the number. Let us test to make a call. Okay. Let's see. And I will dial. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have a call. Okay. Okay, so inbound call is already, because we don't have music on hold loaded. Okay, let me double check our music on hold is not still not playing. So inbound. Okay, we can use the default. Okay. Let me check my number. Hello, test. Hello. Hello, test mic. So as you can see, we have issue called this one is hello test. So from here, as you can see, we don't hear any sounds. So I did not also hear any sounds back. Okay, so we need to fix this one. Fine. So we have a call already over here. Okay, so for that, so we need to check our configuration. Let me check our carrier Twilio, not media. Yeah, it's all non-media. Okay, so why is getting that error? We don't hear. Okay, let's check our service firewall the status. So we don't have a firewall, we don't have IP tables. So here all our has been okay. So from here we need to double check why is not working media IP. Okay, so let's double check our voice. Okay guys, so I just update and restart the server, and I'm able to make a call now. If I call initiated, yeah, seems working fine now. So if I try to make a call, okay, so as you can see we have one, so it's busy because only one CPS for this. So we will, okay, let me log into my agent. Okay, it's 0. Let me try to call. So I'm hold in this one, a test call for the for Twilio. Okay, let me double check. It's calling again. So as you can see, I have one call. Let me try to answer. Hello, test mic. Yeah, it's a feedback mic. So it seems to working fine. Test mic, low. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so working fine. Let me try to make a test over here. Yeah. Hello, test mic. Hello, test mic. Yeah, it's working fine. Hello, test mic. Yeah, it's working fine. Hello, test mic. Hello. Test mic. Hello. Test mic. Hello. Test mic. It is working. The button is working. Test mic. Hello, test mic. Hello. Hello, test mic. Yeah, it's a speaker. Hello, sound. Test mic. Okay, yeah, it's working fine. Thank you. Okay. So as you can see, we are now able to do incoming and outgoing for now our Twilio. And once again, this is HBT tutorial. Thank you for watching and following my video. So hope you can follow how to configure your Twilio for termination and originating. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Don't forget to like again and share, and if you're not yet subscriber, can you please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day.